Have you ever seen those cool designs where a photo perfectly fills the text? Like the letters are made out of an image? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that inside Canva step by step. It's quick, beginner friendly, and perfect for adding a stylish professional touch to your projects. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create a free account in just a few seconds. Once you're in, start by opening a new blank design. You can choose any size depending on what you're creating, like a YouTube thumbnail, poster, or Instagram post. Now, head over to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. This is where all the fun begins. You'll find shapes, graphics, photos, and much more. In the search bar at the top, type in the letter or word you want to use for your text overlay. For example, type A or text frame. Make sure you're looking under frames. These are the letters that allow you to insert photos inside them. If you don't see them immediately, click See All to browse through Canva's collection. You'll find every letter from A to Z in various styles. Once you've found the ones you need, simply click or drag them onto your canvas. Adjust their size and position until they look just right. You can arrange the letters to form a word, like love, travel, or your brand name, and align them neatly using Canva guides. Now it's time to add your photo. Go to the Uploads tab, also on the left-hand menu, and click Upload Files to bring in an image from your computer, or choose one directly from Canva's free photo library. Once your image is uploaded, drag it over a letter on your canvas. And just like that, Canva will automatically fill the letter with your photo. Repeat this step for each letter and feel free to try different images or adjust the photo's position within the frame for the best effect. And there you go. You've successfully inserted a photo into text in Canva, a super clean modern look that's great for social media graphics, thumbnails, posters, and so much more. Try experimenting with different fonts, background colors, and images to create unique designs that really stand out. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick Canva tips and design hacks every week. Thanks for watching. Now go create something amazing.